using Play-Doh. So here's a little sample of it. We only made a little of it because only a little of it made it. So it worked. So only a little of it's gonna work. But yeah. So if you don't know how to make this Play-Doh, just stay into the video. Just stay in the video. And yeah. Let's get in the video. The first thing you will need is fingernail polish, and the last thing you will need is oil. So I'm not gonna make this again because I might get in trouble. Last time I didn't get in trouble, but yeah. As you can see, it made some stinks, but that's okay. So you will need some fingernail polish. Just go get some fingernail polish. I'll wait. Okay, got your fingernail polish? Okay, so the next thing you need is some oil. Any kind of oil may work. Vegetable oil works the best. So yeah, if you got that, that's great. Got it? Okay, so then the next thing you will be needing is something to mix with. Go get something to mix with. And something to stir. Put the thing through. Put a bowl. Just say a bowl. So yeah. That's how you're gonna make some Play-Doh. You're not gonna put it in the refrigerator or anything. I don't no borax or in this. No glue, no soap, only oil and nail polish. And this is what it made. So yeah. And then you keep stirring until you get some. You might want a lot of oil to make a lot and fingernail polish, but you don't want to get the same amount because it's just, I don't know, but I don't know what it's going to do, but just don't try because you don't want to waste your oil or nail polish. So yeah. So yeah, here go some Play-Doh. It smells like nail polish. Yes, it's strong nail polish. So yeah, that's all for today. Just telling you how to make this wonderful Play-Doh. So yeah. So this wonderful Play-Doh, I don't know why I keep saying Play-Doh like that. This wonderful Play-Doh is so amazing. So amazing. But yeah. So cool. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. And smash that. You can just give it a okay. And just smash that like button, thumbs up button, anything you want to call it, and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get if you want me to actually make slime, go and give me 1K subscribers. I mean 600 subscribers. So yeah, I only got 3. So y'all need to hurry up, please. So yeah, it looks like a little stick. I'm so glad I actually made something. um, it does make a stain. You might want gloves, but yeah. Bye. This is all for today. Um, yeah. I might have to wash my hands to get this stain out. Like, this stain out. Get that stain out. So yeah. Where my slime on? So, smash that thumbs up button. Give me 600 subscribers and subscribe so you actually can not see my face because I think about those twins. But um you can actually see how to make it. And I just dropped this. I'll have to get it. Come on. Okay, there. There it is. There we go. And you might want to put this in a container so it won't dry out. If it dries out, just put some more oil on it. It will come out oily, but yeah, not watery oily, but yeah. This is really actually fun. It will be more funner if like it feels bigger. Should I say that? Yeah, it feels bigger and larger. So yeah. Bye. This was the slime. Now where's the slime?